Good morning once again, children. Okay, so before we proceed to our discussion for this morning, we will dance first. Okay, are you familiar with the dance Otso Otso? Okay, very good. All right, now let's dance all together. So please stand up. Okay, Joaquin and Princess lead the song or dance. Come here in front. Okay, are you ready? I can't hear you. Again, are you ready? Very good. That's the energy that I want. Okay, ready? Ready, set, go. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Doblehin ang 8, tayo'y mag-otso-otso. Otso-otso. Otso-otso. Otso-otso lang. Mag-otso-otso. Otso-otso. Mag-otso-otso lang. Again, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Dublihin ang 8, tayo'y mag-otso-otso. Otso-otso. Otso-otso. Otso-otso lang. Mag-otso-otso. Otso-otso. Mag-otso-otso lang. Alright, thank you so much, great pupils. You know, take your seat. So based on the dance nga aton ginhimo kaina, ano ano niyo na bantayan? Okay, addition. What else? Okay, gina-add ang same nga number. Ano pa gid? Okay, gina-dubleta ang number. Okay, very good. Okay, so this time, welcome to our math class. Okay, so before we proceed, let's count 1 to 100 all together. Ready? Start. 4, 9, 10, 11, 12, 50. Okay, 70. Okay. Alright, thank you so much. So now, since all you guys, kamatanin ka ba na mag-count from 1 to 3, I want you to meet my friend. Say hi ka muna, kung makita niyo siya. This is, say hi to Mr. Pedro. Okay, hi Pedro. Oh, hi ka mo kay Pedro. Alright, so this is the scenario. I want to count my steps quickly. I jump 2 steps at a time. Help me count. Oh. Come on, buligan niya si Pedro? Hindi. Okay, very good. Buligan ta si Pedro. Sige, here. Okay. 2, no? By 2 ko, no? Sige, mahap siya dare-dare. 2. Okay, 2. Si to na de. Next is, may black blanco na da. Ano ang isog puntang nga dapat ng mabutang tade? Nga, ang sunod is 6. Sige, be? Ano ang i-add tas ang 2? Para ma-equals diri, oh. Okay, anong answer there? Okay, very good. 4. Next, 6. Next, ano de? Okay, very good. 8. 10. Anong next ang 10? 12. 14. Very good. This one. 16. 18. Okay, very good. 20. Alright, next is, okay, 26. And now let's time to swim. Alright, now Pedro finally jump. Kabilang ito siya nag-jump kani 2 times. Ka-jump siya 2 times, no? Ka-jump siya by 2. 2, 4, 6. Okay, everyone, please stand up all together. Okay, let's jump by skip counting by 2s. Okay, ready? Ready? Start. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26. Alright. Thank you so much. Alright. So now, next we have is, it's skip counting time. But before that, let's go first here, the skip counting by tens. Ahoy mateys! The pirates are on adventure to find the missing treasure. Skip count by 10 and write the missing number to help them find the treasure. So, ari di si pirata. Amo ni ang mga ruta niyang agion. So, ari di ang treasure. Buligan ta siya. Gaano siya ka by? Anong skip counting niya? By 10. Okay, let's start. 10. What's next ang 10? Very good. 20. 30. Anong next ang 30? Very good. Next. 50. Anong next ang 50? 60. Very good. Next. 70. 80. Anong next ang 80? 90. Very good. Anong last? 100. Alright. Very good. So, kapila niya ginsulit-sulit. Ano, gin-add niya nga din nga number para makuha niya ni ang answer. Okay, very good. Number 10. Okay. Gin-add ta ang the same number by itself. So, 10 plus 10, pila gani? 20. Very good. 20 plus 10? Okay, 30. 30 plus 10? 40. Very good. Amo na naka-answer tadi ka 40. Okay, now, let's skip counting by tens nga gaklap ta. Okay, until 100 lang ha. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100! Alright, let's repeat it again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! 10, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100! Very good. Now, how about, let's keep counting by fives. Ano naman ang by fives? Skip counting by fives. Very good. Skip count ka by 5. For example, ready? 5, 10, 15. Okay? Kabalo ka muna, no? Okay, ari na tayo. Ang ari din ito nga number, amo ni siya ang skip counting by 5. Para hindi ka mo maglibog. 5, kag dire. Amo na siya. Sige, be. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Wala na.
Wala good na.
30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Very good. Okay. Again, be, skip count tabi ang by twos. Kaya ako na i-check ang ako ninyo PowerPoint. Ready? Skip counting by twos. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Go! $50, 52, 54, 60, 62, 64, 60. Ano kayo sunod sa 64? Okay, 66. Sunod. 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90. Sige, tapos sa 94, 96, 100. Wow, very good. Now, how about skip counting by 10? Sige daw, diba ito ang tabi? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Tunog, hindi ko mabatian. Okay, 100. Okay, wow, very good. Kabalo gali sila mo skip counting. Okay, now, let's have a skip counting here. Okay, what comes next? We have here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Anong sunod sang 10? Kung mag-skip counting kita by 2. Very good. It's 12. Very good. Okay, next. What comes next? Everybody read all together. Ready? Go. 5, 15, 20. And now next. 25. Very good. Next. 10, 20, 30. What's next? Very good. 40. Very good. Okay, next. Read all together. 2, ready, go. Okay, what's the missing number here? Okay, Ashley. What's the missing number? O, paano mo na siya ginkwa? Okay, very good. Gin-add mo di si 4 plus 2. Kaya nga agin-add mo ang 2. Nga pwede man 3 nga. Hindi man pwede sa 3 or whatsoever nga atugid. Okay, very good. Okay, skip counting by 2s ini. Okay, next. What's the missing number? Okay, now princess, stand up. Okay, ano ang missing number? Very good. We have here 5, 10, 15, 20. Very good. Okay, next we have 10, 20, blank, 40, 50. Ano ang answer? Very good. 30. Okay, next. What's the missing number here? 12, 14, 16, blank, 20. Very good. It's 18. Okay, next. What do you notice about the numbers? Okay, then. Here's a group 1, then. Anong na-notice nyo sa numbers? Wow, very good. Gin, add. Oh. Okay, ano pa, Gin? Ano pa? Okay, very good. Okay, next. How many do we add each time? Okay, group 2. Oh, sa 5, ano da, de? Sa skip counting by 5s, pila ang gina-add ra? Very good. How about sa 10? Skip counting by tens. Okay, very good. How about sa 2? 2 pod. Okay, very good. Alright, next. Which skip pattern is the fastest? Para sa inyo, hindi ang pinaka-dasig. Dasig matapos. Okay, by group 1. Hinga Okay, nubugin man to. Okay. So, ang pinaka-dasig nga skip pattern is 10. O, sige, be, kamo, be, liwat, be, ready? 1, 2, 3, go! 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100! Very good! Alright, next we have, but, what is skip counting? Okay, na natin sige hambal sa skip counting. Pero ano ay ang ibig sabihin ng skip counting? Okay, Ashley. Let's see if your answer is correct. Everyone, please read all together. Adding, ready, go. Skip counting, adding the same number repeatedly. Very good. So, same kay na nga aton ginobra, gin-add ang same number repeatedly. Next example, skip counting by twos. Mayroon ito di, duha ka bilog, ano na? Duha ka bilog shape. 2, 1, ipon tabi. 1, 2. Pila ka bilog shape? 2. Dugangan tasang another 2 shapes. O, ipunta. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pila tanan? Very good. 4. O, ang 4, dugangan tapagit sa another 2. 2 sets. O, 1, 2. O, ipunta liwat ha. 1. Already, go. Okay, very good. Now, naintindihan lang? Naintindihan na ang counting by twos? Okay. Pila gani ang number na gina-add at the same time? 2. Okay, very good. Next. Skip counting by 5. We have here, pila ka hearts here. Tayo po na. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pila tayo ka hearts? We have 5. O, 5 niya siya. Nasala lang. Okay, 5. Dugangan pa kita sa another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pila tanan ka hearts? 10. Next, gin-add pa pag sa isa ka 5. Pila na ayhan? Sipon taliwat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Pila tanan? 15. Very good. Next, I have here my mystery basket. Charan! Okay, si mystery basket. Ano ang unang sa mystery basket ko? Carrot! Very good. So, gagamit man ka mo carrot sa inyong house? So di para ano ni ganit? Okay, may mga vitamins ni at it's good for our health. Very good. Sino di ka carrots? Okay, how about eggplant? Meron to di eggplant ko no. Okay. Kakano ka mo eggplant? O, sino di favorito ang eggplant? Okay. Now, in my basket here, I have carrots. Isipon ta si carrots dire. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pila tanan ka carrots? Na ay 5. Very good. Now, the question is, if I have 3 baskets, then it has the same numbers of carrots. Pila tanan kabilog ang carrots na ari ko subong. Kung mayroon ako 3 ka-basket, kag may unod nga 5 ka-carrots. Pila tanan? Sige, be? O, think na I think. So, 5 to, diba? 5 ka-carrots. Kag may 3 ko ka-basket with 5 carrots. Okay. Princess, pila ang answer? Okay. What else? Mayroon pa na ibang answer? O, wakyan. Okay. Sige. So, let's see if your answer is correct. So, hambal ko kaina, may 3 ko ka basket, kag may unod nga 5 ka, ano ganito sini? Carrots. Okay, very good. Sige. Sipon ta, liwat. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Isa na ka-basket. Namo ko ta isa ka-basket. Pila to ganito nan? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pila na tanan? 10. Next, ko ang ika-3 nga basket. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Pila tanan? Pila tanan? Very good. 15. Now, makota di another vegetables. Okay, here. Kadala-dala ko ni isang akon basket halin sa merkado. Sino nakalakat sa inyo merkado? Ano nakita nyo dito? Okay, very good. Okay, now let's proceed to our lesson. Okay, so, mayroon kita di eggplant. Pila ka bilog eggplant? Mayroon kita 2 ka eggplants. Okay, ang pamangkot, kung akon basket 3 ka bilog, o 3 naman liwat ha, kag may 2, kag ang isa ka basket, sa iisa ka basket, may ara 2 ka, anong tawag sini? Eggplants. Pilatanan ka ay halang akong eggplants na matipon. Okay, very good. The answer is 6. Okay, let's see. Paano? Paano gani? 2 ka eggplant, kag dugangan tas ang 2 ka eggplant. Aray, 2 ka eggplant. Kag may isa pa to ka basket, no? Dugangan ta pagid sang isa ka, ay 2 ka eggplant. 1, 2. Isipon ta na tanan. Pila tanan? Ayhan. Let's count all together. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pila tanan? Okay, very good. Anom tanan kabilog. Hindi na itong isa. Nasulod guro sa basket ay. Okay. Anom tanan ka eggplants ang ari di sa aton nga basket. Okay, now naintindihan lang? Is that clear? Okay, very good. Alright, now, if Joss is kept counting by 2, could he get to the number 22? Kung si Josh ka nang may skip counting by 2s, makalabot kaya siya hansang 22? Okay, very good. Paano? Let's keep counting all together by 2s. Gani, again, ready? Go! 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. 22. Okay, ara si 22. So, sakto? Yes or no answer? Yes or no? Yes. Very good. The answer is yes. Next. If Katie is keep counting by tens, can she be reached the number 100? Yes or no? Okay, yes. Kaya nga, paano ba? O, sige. Let's keep counting by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Pila tanan? Ay, ala na si 100? Oh, yes or no answer? Yes or no? Yes, very good. Okay, next. If Meg started at 40 and skip counted until she got to 80, should she skip counting by 10? Again, group 3, I read all together. Ready, go. Okay, thank you so much. If Meg started at 10 and skip counted until she got to 80, should she skip counting by 10? Okay, let's see. Nag-start siya sa 40. Pag nag-end siya sa 80. Pilaihan ng iyang nag-skip counting siya. It could be 10. Kaya, sige, let's see. 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Pila na ang skip counting? 10. Very good. How about 5? Ben, trayan tabi si 5. 40. 40 plus 5. 45. 45 plus 5. 50. 50 plus 5. 55. 55 plus 5. 60. 60 plus 60 plus 5. 65. 65 plus 5. 70. 70 plus 5. 75. 75 plus 5. 80. Very good. Okay. So it could be, ang skip counting ni Meg is are 10 or 5. Okay, next. Can Kater skip count by 5s to get to the number 45? How? Sige. Josh, ipakita sa amon. Paano? Okay, very good. Thank you so much, Josh. And because of that, let's give him a mabuhay clap. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Mabuhay! Alright, next. Group work. Okay, so this is the group 1, group 2, and then group 3. Alright. Math Center's rotation. Everyone, please read all the instruction. Ready, go. Okay, thank you so much. So, ma-rotate ka mo di by per station. So, that ari di ang station 1. At the back naman ang station 2. Ang ari di sa kilid ang station 3. Okay. Now, ari di ang inyong mga instruction. Okay, choose group leader. Okay. Alright. Now, ang group 1 ma-proceed danay sa station 1. Ang group 2 ma-proceed sa station 2. And ang group 3 ma-proceed sa station 3. And then, after nyo na matapos dara sa station, ma-proceed ka mo sa next station until matapos ninyo ang tatlo ka station. Okay. Do it within 5 minutes. Ready? Timer starts now. Wow! May winner na kita, de! Ang? Ang tagali ka mga group bang? Okay. Group 1. And because of that, let's give them a Jollibee clap. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Jollibee. Alright. Now let's proceed to your homework. Evaluation. Write the missing numbers. Okay. So this is your worksheet. Hindi na ako magkuha sa papel. Kami rin ako din na-prepare. Please get one and pass. Okay. Do it within 3 minutes. Alright, are you done? Okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright. Pass all your paper forward. Alright, thank you so much. Now for your assignment, copy this in your notebook. Are you done? Alright, thank you so much. Now, that's the end of our discussion for this morning. See you again tomorrow. Goodbye, class!